Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice exponential problem, and here we have 25 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equal to 20, and we will solve this problem for the value of x. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here I can rewrite the term as, we can write 25 as 5 square and its whole power x plus 5 to the power of x is equal to 20. And after that I can apply here the nice exponential law, and you know that if we have a to the power of m to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m times of n, we can apply here this exponential law, so that this expression will becomes here you can write it as, or if I can expand this exponential law. If we will interchange these exponents, then it will also gives us the same answer, which is a to the power of m times of n. So that first I can interchange these exponents, and we can write it as 5 to the power of x and its whole square plus 5 to the power of x is equals to 20. So after that we can make this expression in the simplified form. So we will take here y is equals to 5 to the power of x. So when we can substitute y is equal to this one, and so this exponential equation will becomes in quadratic equation, and it will becomes y square plus y is equal to 20. And now I can make the factors of this quadratic equation in order to solve this problem. So first I can move this 20 in the left hand side, and it will becomes y square plus y minus 20 is equal to 0. And the factors of this equation are, we need any two numbers whose product is minus 20 and whose sum is plus 1. So these numbers are uh, plus 5 and minus times of 4. Okay, so when we multiply this 5 by minus 4, it will becomes minus 20, and when we can add these numbers, so it will becomes plus 1. So here we multiply y on both sides, and it will becomes y is equals to 5y minus 4y. So now we can replace this y by 5y minus 4y, so that this expression will becomes y square plus 5y minus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. And here I can take common y, so it will becomes y times of y plus 5, and here we take common minus 4, and it will becomes y plus 5 is equal to 0. So that here we will take common y plus 5, and it will becomes y minus 4 is equals to 0. After that, here we have two cases. The first case is we take y plus 5 is equal to 0, and the second case is we take y minus 4 is equals to 0. So that in this case we can find the value y, which is minus 5, and in this case we can find the value y is plus 4. Okay, in the start of the question we will take here y is equal to 5 to the power of x, so that we can back substitute the value here, and it will becomes 5 to the power of x is equals to minus 5, and 5 to the power of x is equals to 4. So here you can see that the exponential function always gives the positive value, and this is the negative value. So positive and negative values cannot be equal, so it is not possible, so that we will rejected this case, and we just proceed here this case only. So here, in order to find the value of x, we can take the log on both of the sides, so that it will becomes log of 5 to the power of x is equals to log 4, and we can apply here the property of log, so that this exponent move in the front of this log, and it will become x times of log 5 is equals to log 4. And now we move this log 5 to the right hand side, and it will becomes log 4 over log 5. After that we can rewrite it as log of 2 square over log of 5, and again we can apply the property of the log, and it will becomes x is equals to 2 times of log 2 over log of 5. So here we can apply the value of log, and so here we can put the using the calculator, and we can put the value of log 2, and log 2 is equals to 0.3 over log 5 is equal to 0.6 and double 9. And after that we can just after multiplying this 2 by 0.3, it will becomes 0.6 over 0.699, and after dividing these two terms we will get the value of x is 0.858. This is our final answer of this question. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.